What's up? I decided to do something different. I tried to find the right angle to record this, but this is it. I'm doing it by phone. I'm unboxing the 8bitdo. There's my shitty keyboard over there. Uh, yeah, let's just get into it. Unbox it one-handed. I don't know how people do this. Seriously? Come on. There you go. Easy as pie. I don't think pie is easy to make. Ooh, that already sounds good. It smells like vinegar for some reason. Yeah, it smells exactly like vinegar. Oh, we got... Ooh, the sounds sound awesome. One-handed stuff again. I think I could do this one-handed. It's a skill you develop with age. I'm not left-handed though. That's why I'm holding my phone with my right. Oh, whoa, that's so cool. Look at this. Oop, I accidentally turned it on. I have no idea. Well, people probably use like those stands. Look at that. Ooh. I don't know if you can hear the click, so I'll put it closer. That sounds so good. That is sick. Look at, they got the red light in the corner. I probably have to charge it. There's that. Control. I can put these on my computer. Oh, those are buttons. For the buttons, maybe. Maybe sound effects I can use the buttons for or something. Quick start guide. Okay, here's the buttons that it comes with. So far, I'm really excited to use it. I got a cabled keyboard, which isn't that great. Look at that. Oh, I thought they were separate. I guess they're not. I'm glad they're not, actually. I'm really happy by the quality of it. Damn, that's long. Instruction manual. Look at the case even. I'm not like sponsored or anything. I saw this on Amazon for like it was on discount. So I was like, man, that's so cool. I need a new keyboard, so I ended up getting it. And I'm glad I did. Yeah, it smells kind of like vinegar. Weird. But yeah, that's the 8bitdo keyboard. This is my second unboxing. I'm trying my best. I ain't no what's this? Mr. Who's the Boss or some whatever his name is. Man, yeah, that's great quality, and it sounds great. But yeah, we'll try it out later. You can see my stomach; it's popping out, and my what do you call it, hospital socks. I wear those around the house, you know. Okay, we're getting out of the. But yeah, so far, I'll try it out later, maybe during the stream, and we will see how good it is. I'm tired of wired because I set up my room. I can't sit down and use my keyboard because it's too far away from my bed, and it's just annoying having a wired one. I'm not saying that's bad or anything. It's just like, okay, it's kind of bad. But now I can wirelessly do stuff. But yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Watch me live on Twitch or on YouTube. Whatever you want to do. Alright, see ya.